Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing the monthly spread for November. Can you guys believe it's November already? Like, where is... Okay, important lesson to know. Time waits for no one. So literally, do what you need to do. Get it done. Because otherwise, time will zoom right past you. And you will be looking like, what happened? In today's video, I'm going to be using my monthly kit from Nikki Plus 3. This is what it looks like. I love the purple with the beige and the rose gold accents. It's just so beautiful. So we're going to just go right ahead and get started here. I am first going to lay out, well, first I'm going to fix my cover. There we go. I'm first going to do the layout. I'm going to use a new sticker. I'm using a sidebar sticker this time. I'm going to lay out my layout, and then we'll go here to planning the month. So I'll be back soon. All right, let me open this up so you can see. I love it. This is probably my favorite thus far. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do next is fill in the things that I know that I have to do already. Okay, let me figure this out, and then I'll go ahead and be back. All right, guys, so the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover. So here I'm just laying down full boxes over the date 7th and the date 21st. And putting down a payday because those are my paydays this month. And then I also got some stickers from KateBudgets. She's here on YouTube as well as she has an Etsy shop. And I'm using her budget time stickers. So I'm putting those down. And then I also used some of the bowls that came in the kit to kind of make it feel a little extra special. You know what I mean? I'm grateful. I get a paycheck, so I'm grateful. Next here, I'm laying down I guess it's almost like a half box on the 24th for my boyfriend's birthday. Going back and putting down some other half boxes for a meeting that I have on the 14th, and then a full box for the 12th because I have it's normally my ethics meeting, but we're doing like a grand rounds that day presentation. So I decided to put a full box there. I put down the covers for all of the holidays for this month. And I'm putting down like some half boxes or event labels for other things that I know I have going on this month. I had to skip over a lot for the bottom row of the month because it was like all the way off camera, or out of frame rather. But I did mark down, I have like a vacation week for like the week of my boyfriend's birthday, which includes Thanksgiving. And then I marked my grandparents' anniversary, which happens to be the 26th. I know, I don't remember the exact number, but they've been married for over 50 years. So I think that's definitely a blessing and a great visual for me to see, to kind of aspire to be when I get married, you know? I'm also putting down like the Thanksgiving break sticker, the Black Friday sticker with the little credit card. I really don't plan on shopping, but you know, c'est la vie. Then I'm throwing down the arrow stickers that she had to kind of like mark off my days off, even though I kind of put day off on them too to mark that off. But you know, try to use as many stickers as absolute possible. On Friday the 29th, which also happens to be Black Friday, my sister will be in town for Thanksgiving and we're having a girls' night, and I cannot wait. Like, all of my friends and her were like, all like, yes, I cannot wait till our girls' night. It can't get here fast enough. I need some wine. We're going to get some good seafood. It's just going to be a great time. It's just going to be a great time. I put down some flags on some of my full boxes, putting down the date covers here. And yeah, so just a little recap. I have a meeting on the 9th, a meeting on the 14th, a meeting on the 5th. I'm doing my budget on the 7th and 21st. I have a rehearsal on the 4th, which I end up not going to. Grand rounds for the ethics committee at work is on the 12th. I have a wax appointment on the 20th. There's a masquerade party I'm supposed to be going to on the 16th, but I'm working. I was mad because originally when I was buying the tickets, it was supposed to be the 15th and I was off the 15th. So, but here I'm just doing a little wiggle with the 5th because I also have a webinar that I wanted to mark there. I had all for the last week of November, and I think we are good. I'm going to do a little shaky shake of the page so you can see some of that foil action. I greatly appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.